Are you curious about how Vista lightboxes arrive when they're disassembled for shipping? Let's take a look at a package that includes a 16 by 60-inch disassembled Vista lightbox. These packages will include Vista's disassembled for shipping sticker. If you're not familiar with these, take a look here. Okay, let's open the box and see what's inside. Upon unpacking, you'll immediately notice the absence of the back and front panels. Why is this? You can provide these yourself, and this will then minimize the shipping costs. But don't fret, we provide the measurements for these, so you'll have all the information that you need in advance. Inside the package, you'll find 2 longer profiles, along with 2 shorter ones, a power supply, LED modules, screws, and a marking stencil. Each of the profiles is conveniently labeled to assemble together correctly. Pay attention. The connecting angles are already in place and are fully connected to the larger profile. Okay, let's start assembling the lightbox together. Armed with just a screwdriver and the correct bit, assembly is a breeze. We will start by fitting the profiles according to the noted labels. Align the profiles. Secure with screws. It's that simple. Next, let's attach the back panel, which was prepared in advance. Then, let's move on to the lighting. First, decide on the location for the power supply and firmly attach it. Then, you'll need to mark the locations of the LED modules. You will find a stencil template for affixing the LEDs. The template will have cutouts for you to mark the location of the LED modules. Mark the LED locations. Move the template. Mark again until the entire surface is completed. Now, we need to attach the LEDs to these markings. You will see that each bulb includes double-sided tape on the back to affix accordingly to the surface. A touch of silicone is also added for extra durability to avoid any issues in the future. Finally, it's time to add the front panel. Unclip the side, slide in the panel, and presto! Your lightbox is ready to light up any space. Say goodbye to worries about transportation costs with Vista's disassembled for shipping method, where you supply the front and back panels. Offering top-quality aluminum lightboxes to your customers is now a hassle-free endeavor. Whether you're based in Florida or anywhere else worldwide, we're here to cater to your needs.